I think the first thing that people don't realize is that lamination really is everywhere you go. You go into a restaurant, you pick up a menu, you look at floor graphics, those are all laminated applications.
Everywhere you look, there is some sort of lamination that surrounds you, whether it's laminate flooring, a decal on the floor.
Lamination really is in every walk of life, and it's been around for a long time. The problem is lamination in itself has not been very innovative. The idea of how to laminate hasn't really evolved much over the last few decades.
There's really two types of products, roll laminators and pouch laminators. In roll lamination, the issue really is setup. A lot of people don't know how to do it. In the case of pouch lamination, every page has to be inserted and sintered manually, and then the operator has to really sit and manually load each pouch into the machine, and they're typically quite slow.
Generally, I avoid it like the plague.
I do laminate on a daily basis. We laminate the pages so the pages last longer for our salespeople to flip through them. I laminate anywhere from 12 pages to maybe about 1,500 in a couple days.
Laminating is standing there, feeding the job through, making sure the plastic is lined up right.
How long is this going to take me? How much time am I going to lose in my day? When am I not going to get done? How many hours am I going to have to stay past the school day? How much time am I going to miss with my family? That's how I used to feel about lamination.
It's first fully automated laminating system that fits on a desktop.
The only thing the operator has to do is load their documents into an auto feeder that then goes into a laminator and at the end gets automatically cut.
One of the big ideas is to use a cartridge to load the film. It's still a continuous web, so it has the advantages of a roll laminator. It just basically drops right into the system.
And the machine will know what film type it is, what temperature to run at, what speed to run at, and the length of the laminating film.
We enable the user to not just do one document at ease, but to really have a load and go operation. Dropping 30 sheets at a time, pressing run, and walking away. It's as easy as that.
When we were developing these things, the cost was crucial to the machine.
If you look at a commercial laminator, all of the features that those have are reflected in this product.
It is definitely something that is unique and really allowed the user to just do the simple thing as load in a cartridge, put some paper in there and press run and then walk away.
We've gone actually through a couple of different betas with these units to get the input from the end user and then improve the product, the final design of the product, based on the end user input.
I absolutely loved it. It was the first time that I embraced laminating jobs.
Previous, I had to stay there and watch the machines and maintain the machines while they were running. Now, the new machine, I can walk away from it.
Automatic in what I do makes life easier for everyone.
The first time I got the machine, I did have a bigger project that needed to be done. And I just stuck the pieces of paper in there, pushed the button, and actually walked away from it. So it ran perfect, and I finished the whole job in 1 day versus 3 days.
It autocorrects, it cuts for you. It's so much less waste than we had been doing before.
It's a nice looking device. It was very intuitive, well designed.
But it's just so easy to use, and I'm not super tech savvy, so I appreciate that.
What normally would be a horrible project turned out to be something that we were excited to provide for the customer.
I basically don't have to sit and babysit the laminator all day. I can go and do my jobs that I had planned for the day.
I can go back to helping salespeople with customers. I can go back to doing my normal day-to-day project instead of sitting there watching the machine laminate.
There's a saying that I think everybody can identify with, that time is our most precious asset. Everybody's short of time. Anybody who works for a living can say that if there was more time, they'll be able to do more things. How long does it take to take a piece of paper and put it into a tray? It takes seconds. Not tens of seconds, not minutes, not hours, it takes seconds.
You put it all in at once, press start, and you walk away, and you go be productive, get things done, and you come back and it's perfect. That's priceless.